Hello and welcome to Cake. The sun is out and it finally feels like spring in Germany. So, to celebrate the new bloom, I decided to make a centerpiece with yellow blossoms and Easter-inspired decoration. Although I don't have the footage for the full instructions, I did make some pictures and will use those to show you how I made the centerpiece. Let me walk you through the items I used for this. I had a wooden tray sitting around in my basement that I thought would be perfect for this project. It's about 23 inches wide, or equivalent to about 60 centimeters. Online, I purchased floral foam specific for synthetic flowers. It's about 9 inches wide and 3 inches tall. I cut it in half and then cut 2 smaller pieces for the sides and used the longer piece for the middle of the tray. I made sure that I had a good gap between the foam pieces to place wine glasses in between. The floral pieces I used are all synthetic. I used 3 eucalyptus bushes with each 11 branches. These are the main fillers for my centerpiece. Then I used 2 flower bushes with small green leaves and yellow flowers. And 1 star blossom bush with white flowers, each with 7 stems. To attach the greenery to the foam, I used a glue gun. So here are again all the main components, including the 2 wine glasses, which I initially intended to use with tea lights. I started out by cutting the yellow flower bush into smaller pieces and sticking them into the base of the foam, and coming out about 1 to 2 inches out of the tray. These should not stick up, only down and out. Then I filled the foam with the eucalyptus branches until the foam was no longer visible. I did the right side of my tray first and then the remainder. The center foam piece I covered with much shorter pieces of eucalyptus leaves, knowing that I wanted to put some decoration in the middle. Then between the eucalyptus branches, I stuck a few white flowers. For decoration, I used these kissing bunnies with yellow stars and small Easter eggs with yellow decoration. So this is what my centerpiece looked like initially. I kind of felt like the centerpiece wasn't giving me the wow effect that I wanted, so at IKEA I found these tall cylindrical glass vases, which I know would fit on my tray. I swapped these for the wine glasses and placed vanilla-scented candle pillars inside. Then I was finally happy with my centerpiece, and it's now in full bloom in my living room, and because these are synthetic, I know I can just leave them out for the next month, and I can easily swap out the decoration pieces to continue using this throughout the summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this idea. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more ideas and recipes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.